Hey other guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start registering video without having the further delay. So basically, this video is going to be the routine of 21st May 2025, and today is Wednesday, right? So basically, in this video, I'm gonna to share you like what is actually happened throughout the whole days of routine video and what is actually not happened. I'm gonna to share you. So let's start registering video without having any further delay. Let's see. So today, first of all, I wake up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I had done breakfast, right? Then after some time later, basically I am at my nanny's home, me, my Ziza and my mother at nanny's home, to my nanny's home, right? So basically we are here, then we have done breakfast, and after some time later, I was ready, me and my mummy and my Ziza. Uh, Went to sister's home, right? We were ready, right? So basically we were ready to for the that. Then suddenly when we reached there, there was so much rainy season was actually was happening, right? Then what is actually happened, you know um, we reached to sister's home. Then after that I washed my mouth and I had taken the bath. Then after that I wore clothes, right? Then basically this is the thing what is actually happened, right? And after some time later went for the sleep. Then after that I wake up. Then after that I ate food. So basically this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video, right? Then you know so basically what is actually I was doing today, that is you know there were so many I don't know what we call in Hindi bora, right? I don't know what we call in English, right? So makka, which is actually inside there. Then my Jija brought it to the home. So basically he told me just try to do let's can you lift this all called makka, right, to the terrace. So I was just trying, but sometimes I had not done, but after some time later I wasn't doing that. So basically that was so much weight there, and actually it was my first experience, if I tell you seriously, right? Then after that I had taken the rest. Then there were rain started, right? And I saw two rainbows first time. Basically I saw a rainbow before, but two rainbows, that was the first time. Then after that I played with my nephew and niece. Basically this is the thing what is actually happened today. Then after that at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuous manner. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened. Now I'm gonna to just revising again the situation where court can lift corporate wheel in the company law subject. So lifting of corporate wheel, right? So protection of revenue, to know the enemy character of a company, determination of enemy character of a company, prevention of fraud, right? Protection of public policy, right? Company made sham or clock, where a company acts as an agent of its shareholders. Avoidance of welfare legislation, to punish for contempt of court, right? So by this video I am going to uh, learn the learn the difference between member and shareholder. But sometimes whenever I see the definition of both, whenever I see the difference of this, or not in difference, if I see the name, that is member and shareholder, sometimes I know, see, I thought that it is same, but sometimes I thought that it is not actually same, right? So maybe it is came in my mind right now, sometimes not, right? So sorry for this inconvenience, but yes. So first is definition of member, defined into section 2 of 55, right? And in shareholder, shareholder not defined in Companies Act 2013, right? Okay, shareholders definition is not defined in Companies Act 2013, but members definition is defined in section 2 of 55. Now, meaning of member. Um, Member generally means a person whose name is entered in ROM, Registrar of Members. Member generally a person. Member generally means a person whose name is entered in Registrar of Members. Shareholder means a person who holds share in a company. Shareholders is a person who holds shares in a company. Okay. Shareholders shareholder means a person who holds share in a company. Shareholder means a person who holds share in a company. Shareholder means a person who holds share in a company. Okay. Nature of company. Every company shall have minimum number of members. Every company shall have minimum number of members. Only a company holding share capital can have shareholder. Only a company holding share capital can have shareholder. Okay. Every company shall have minimum number of members. Only a company holding share capital can have shareholder. A person who signed memorandum of association is deemed to be member. A person who signed subscriber to memorandum and member. A person who signed memorandum of association is deemed to be member from the date of registration of the company. And subscriber to memorandum and shareholder. A person who signed memorandum of association become a shareholder only when the shares are actually allotted to him. Okay, so this is the thing what is actually the key differences here. Maybe I think so. Now, fifth, transfer of share until change in the registrar. So yes, transfer of share until change in the registrar. The transfer of share continues to be member until his name is removed from registrar of member. A transfer of share continues to be member until his name is removed from registrar of member. Okay. When a person transfers his share, he immediately ceases to be a shareholder, even though his name continues to appear in the registrar of member. Let's say, when a person transfers his share, he immediately ceases to be a shareholder, even though his name continues to appear in the register of member. Okay, so this is just for understanding. I think that maybe basically it is written just for understanding. That's why I spoke, right? Yes. So this is the thing what is actually happened, guys. Now, in the next video, I will complete. In the next video I will complete the basic chapter. Maybe I think so, right? So let's revise again what we have completed in today's video. That is Companies Act 2013. Purpose of Companies Act. What is stakeholder? How? Preliminary. Section 1. Short title. Extent. Commencement. Application. Application contains company under this act or under any previous company law incorporated. Okay, and insurance company, banking of money, and electronic company, any other company governed by law, governed by any act, and banking company, body corporate, and company of foreign company, body corporate, types of companies on the basis of members, holding subsidiary, these all are, and government company, and on the basis of number of members, liability control, listing other companies, right? then companies like 2013 characteristics and situation where code can lift corporate wheel, right? So, and difference between member and shareholder. So this is the thing what is actually happened, guys. I think it is enough for today, so let's end the video, guys. See you again. Bye bye.